Dear students, welcome to you all to the session number one of the subject called Executive Development and Soft Skills of third BBA, third semester BBA of Mangalore University. The topic unit number one is interpersonal skills, and in the session number one, we are going to discuss about the meaning and the importance of interpersonal skills. Learning objective: this session will help you to learn about what are interpersonal skills, and at the end the session outcome is the you people are able to understand what is the interpersonal skill and its relevance or the importance of interpersonal skills. Introduction: to effectively communicate and interact with one another, human beings need interpersonal skills. These skills are very important when interacting with other people at individual or at group level. Developing your interpersonal skills enhances your success both personally and professionally. Since employers understand the importance of these skills in the teamwork, they are constantly looking for employees with proper interpersonal skills. With these skills, an employee will be in a position to understand and to communicate with his or her colleagues, clients, and customers in the workplace. What are interpersonal skills? The following are called as the interpersonal skills: effectively listening and conveying information, being able to accurately interpret other people's emotions, being sensitive to other people's feelings, calmly arriving at resolutions to the conflict or solutions to the conflict, avoiding gossip, being polite. Some of the examples of interpersonal skills include active listening, teamwork, responsibility, leadership, motivation, patience, flexibility, empathy, etc. How to develop interpersonal skill? Okay, now as an individual, how can you develop interpersonal skill? So smile and be appreciative. So smiling is one of the best interpersonal skills. To boost your interpersonal skills, it is advisable to smile every once in a while. And in addition, be cheerful about your work and life, which also helps to appreciate your colleagues. You may do this by identifying a positive attribute about them and positively commenting on it. Thank your colleagues when they assist you with anything, and let your colleagues feel welcome when they seek assistance from you. The second way of improving interpersonal skill is listen actively and pay attention to others. When other people are talking to you, make them feel like you are interested through active listening. For example, you can demonstrate active listening by restating what the person has said in your own words to show that you understand what they are saying. Your colleagues will be happy to know that you are listening. Regarding attention, acknowledge other people's achievements and sympathize with them when they face any kind of difficulties or deaths or illness of that kind or similar to that. Third way to improve the interpersonal skill is resolving conflict. These two can go a long way in improving interpersonal skills. Always strive to create a favorable environment for everyone in the place of your work. This may be achieved by treating all people in an organization equally, following up with the requests from your colleagues, and avoiding gossips. Resolving conflict also plays a major role in bringing people together. When conflicts arises between your colleagues, solve them in the fairest way. This will earn you admiration and respect in the group or in your organization. Communicate clearly and use humor. A clear communication will ensure that you avoid misunderstanding. Therefore, mind what you say as well as how you say it. In addition to effectively passing the message, communicating clearly implies that you are intelligent and mature regardless of your age. Additionally, use humor wherever possible once in a while. People like someone who makes them laugh because laughing is one of the important and one of the best skill through which you can improve your personality. Using humor will help you to develop good interpersonal skills and gain people's affection. Understand others and avoid complaining. It is important to empathize with what others are going through at work. In doing this, you need to employ your emotions and try to put yourself in your colleagues' shoes. Additionally, avoid verbalizing your disappointments, which will only serve to fuel conflicts in the organization than bring people together. Now let us move on to discuss the importance of interpersonal skills or why interpersonal skill is required. The first reason why we need to have interpersonal skill with us is like to foster effective communication. For an effective communication, the most required is interpersonal skill. That is like you should be a good listener, you should have the patience to listen, you have to wait for the speakers and what the speaker says, and therefore this good interpersonal skill will help you to foster effective communication. The next one is like they keep the feedback loop open. Most companies attempt to create a dynamic workplace which can adapt quickly to both internal and external factors. For this to work effectively, though, you need an open and constructive feedback loop. So interpersonal skill will help you to develop that feedback loop open. They expand your opportunities. If you are having very good interpersonal skill, lot of job opportunities are available for you because companies or the employees are going to see or they are seeking an employee with high interpersonal skill. So therefore good interpersonal skill of a person helps him to get better job opportunities or career opportunities. They make you relatable. With good interpersonal skill, your colleagues and managers are far more likely to perceive you as an appropriate person or an approachable person, or they would treat you as one of the best friends. As a result, co-workers will be more comfortable in interacting with you and more willing to seek your assistance and advice. The next one is they demonstrate social awareness. Good interpersonal skills show that you have an interest in the well-being of co-workers and customers, gaining their trust and confidence as a result. For example, a keen sense of perception and emotional intelligence can help you through to participate tricky social situation. Interpersonal skills also helps you to take right decision and judgment cells about sensitive workers and work-related issues. They increase client satisfaction. The ability to be diplomatic is an imperative trait in the workplace, but it is not just co-workers who benefit from your tactful approach. Customers are also able to see that you don't compromise on productivity, that you are aware of their needs, and that you are willing to find solutions to their queries. They build trust. If your team feels that they are deprived of a say in a company's direction and activities, and that important personal decisions are also made without warning, then they are almost certain to go and seek alternative employment. So a stress of potential adverse joblessness can create lack of interest in administration and their decision. So while even an employee are not on a constant hunt for a new job, will may inevitably be search for, or they would seek for another job, or they start searching, or they would work at a diminishing capacity. So therefore, good interpersonal skill will help you to build trust among the people who are going to interact or the people who interact with you. The next one is like they help foster and maintain a personal relationship. Good interpersonal skill will help you to maintain a very good personal relationship with the people who are there in the group. They make you an effective leader. One of the best or one of the most important requirement or like good quality of a good manager is he must be an effective leader. Sorry, he must be he must possess a good interpersonal skill. A person with good interpersonal skill can become an effective leader too. Even next, they encourage empathy. So, empathy is a critical characteristic of a leader. A person with good interpersonal skill could show empathy to people who are in difficulty. Knowing what might be preoccupying your employees, both inside and outside the work, will help you to create powerful connection with them.